In the previous video, we have seen how we can send the data from parent component to the child component with the help of input decorator and input property. And in this video, we will see how we can share the data from child component to the parent component. The sharing of data from parent component to the child is pretty easy because we are already having the child component selector using inside it. But in case of sharing of data from child component to the parent component, it is not that much easy and that much same. The way in which data is sent from child to the parent is via event. So we have to define a simple property called child property and display its content to the parent component, that is our app.component.ts. Let me add the output property over here in our child component. Output Now let us add a method that will emit this particular value from the event emitter. So I will send this particular data is coming from the child component. Let me add a button. This is the event that we need to call. So we are all done with the child component. We will have a button, and on clicking on this particular button, it will send or emit the data to the parent. Now what we have to do, we all have to do something on our parent component. Let me add the method that will receive the data from the child component. So we have this particular method that will receive and we have added once the particular event has been received, this particular event has been received from child component, then it will send you the data. Uh, we don't need to import from protector. Let us see the output. Let me define. So the data has been sent. Let us see the console. So as we are clicking on this particular send to parent, we are getting the data from child to the parent data, child to the parent component. Let us give this dot child data equals to object, and we will print this particular child data to our parent component. So now this particular data has been coming from parent, and this particular data is blank. When I am clicking, then it is rendering the particular data from child component to the parent with the help of event. Thank you so much.